can smell the electricity in the air. You see the chimneys over there?
Yeah.
It was over there.
Oh, we're not going to hear fire engines in a minute.
Hopefully not, no. Car alarms are going off early on.
You can stand on that if you want.
Oh,
You'll
what?
get wet.
Oh no, it's raining again. But it's not coming in. You should have seen it coming in the front door early on. Hopefully that didn't publish to Facebook because the battery died when I was recording it, so. That was over that.
That's a baby one.
That was that was distance, that one. God, can you smell the...
Yeah, I have to say it has been a good one, isn't it?
It's been going for ages tonight. I went into town centre earlier and watched it from the hill, coming from a distance, and then it's getting closer and closer as I came back.
There are many people about.
Yeah, they're coming out of clubs and still looking out the windows watching it and stuff. Shouldn't that bushes gone so big?
Yeah.
Bloody in the way.
There's a few kids crying.
I bet there will be, yeah. This is going to be rumbling all night tonight. At least I'm not up that early.
Lit rain hard.
Oh, it did early on, yeah. Bloody hell, it really came down. God, that...
We only don't get a good storm, Mark. We got one.
We got one, yeah. God, you can smell the electricity in here. Ooh, where was that? Doesn't it smell like someone's bonfire? It's not.
As long as I don't get a call out, I don't care.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't strike your house, it'll be fine.
Taking you with me.
I'm surprised Guildford's power hasn't gone off yet.
I think I'll get a call out, you'll be coming with me.
Oh, striking the building, set the alarm off, yeah.
And that bloody metal next door.
Oh, that sets off, and we're saying wait until the storm goes and then we can go into the building. I'm not going out in this. Dodgy umbrellas in your hand.
Right, I'm going back to my pit.
No, no. Jesus. That was deep and bassy. And again.